Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to guide you step by step on how to recover access to your Instagram professional dashboard. Losing access can be stressful, but following these steps will help you regain control safely. Step 1. Open the Instagram app or go to Instagram.com and try logging in with your account credentials, including your email, username or phone number, and password. Step 2. If you can't log in, click on Forgot Password on the login page. Enter your account information to receive a password reset link via email or SMS. Step 3. Open the email or SMS and follow the instructions to create a new, strong password. Make sure your new password is unique and secure. Step 4. If your account has two-factor authentication enabled, enter the verification code sent to your Authenticator app or phone number when prompted. Step 5. If you cannot access your 2FA device, use any backup codes you previously saved to regain access. Step 6. Once logged in, check that your account is still set as a professional account and that your dashboard features are intact. Step 7. If you are still unable to access your account, contact Instagram support through the Help Center. Provide details such as your account name, email, and any associated business information to help verify your identity. Following these steps will help you securely recover access to your Instagram professional dashboard without losing any of your business insights or content. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video for more useful tutorials.